If you look at this problem, understand correctly, the integrating variable is a dx, which means here theta is a constant. This is what you have to know correctly. Is it okay? Now we know cos of 2 theta. Cos of 2 theta can be written as 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Correct or not? Same way, what is cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. Why? What is the logic? Because numerator is a double angle, denominator is a linear angle, so directly you cannot solve the problem. So can we not write cos 2x can be written as a 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus of a 2 cos squared theta minus 1 whole divided by cos x minus cos theta times dx. So I is equal to integral of 2 cos squared x minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled minus 2 cos squared theta divided by cos x minus cos theta times d theta. Correct or not? You take out the 2 common, integral of cos squared x minus cos squared theta divided by cos x minus cos theta times d theta. Correct? Times d theta. So what is your answer that we get? I is equal to 2 times integral of a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Correct? Whole divided by cos x minus cos theta whole divided by cos x minus cos theta times dx, not d theta here, okay? Everywhere it is dx, not d theta, dx. So cos x minus cos theta will get cancelled. 2 times integral of cos x plus cos theta times dx. So what is your answer that we get? I is equal to 2 times integral of cos x is sin x. Cos theta is a constant. So your answer to the question will be x cos theta, right? Plus c. So what will be your answer here? That is nothing but 2 times sin x plus 2x cos theta plus c will be the required answer to the question.